Part 1, Introduction and Definition. Hello. Today, we're learning another way to talk about the future. It's called be going to. We use be going to talk about things that are planned, decided, or sure to happen soon. So if you already know what you want to do, or you already decided, you can use be going to. Let's look at some time expressions that we use with be going to. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, this weekend, soon, tonight, later. For example, I'm going to visit my grandma this weekend. She's going to study English tonight. They're going to play football tomorrow. It's all about plans, intentions, or things that will happen soon. Part 2, how to make it. Okay, let's learn how to make a sentence with be going to. For positive sentences, we use the verb be plus going to plus base verb. The structure is subject plus am is are plus going to plus base verb. Examples: I am going to eat lunch. He is going to play football. They are going to travel next week. Now, remember the short forms we use when we speak. I'm going to, he's going to, we're going to. Now, what if we want to say no? We just add not after am, is, are. Subject plus am not, isn't, aren't, plus going to plus base verb. Examples: I'm not going to watch TV tonight. She isn't going to go out. They aren't going to eat pizza. Now, let's make questions. We just switch the be verb and the subject. Am, is, are, plus subject, plus going to plus base verb, plus. Examples: Are you going to study tonight? Yes, I am. Is he going to play football? No, he isn't. Are they going to come tomorrow? Yes, they are. Part 3, practice time. All right, time to practice. Fill in the blanks. 1. I am going to visit my aunt tomorrow. 2. She isn't going to go to the party. 3. Are you going to study English tonight? 4. They are going to watch a movie later. 5. He isn't going to play football today. Awesome job! You're doing great! Keep practicing every day and see you next time on Maci, English for Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.